Yo, today is Wednesday, January 14th. Welcome back to Trade Recaps. Uh, Daily recaps, right? Yeah. Today, I didn't do too good. I broke my rules. Uh, really, it's just the second trade. I took a loss. Today was a losing day. The first trade was fine. I actually liked the first trade. It's just the second trade, I kind of FOMO'd, FOMO'd in, you know, pretty bad day. Uh, yeah, I'll be going over my thought process for today. And yeah, you're watching a unprofitable trader make videos on his, I don't know, bro, trading journey. Anyways, let's get started. So, started on the hourly time frame today. We had these LR, right? This was my main draw on liquidity for the day. I was pretty bearish. So I also had this hourly condition. So if we inverse this, it's gonna go for these highs, but I was leaning more bearish because of these low resistance liquidity draws. All right. So on market open, go back. Market open was here. So, you know, up sell side, immediately got a V-shaped recovery right here. So this was really clean. Now there was a 1 minute. There was a 1 minute here, but there was also a 2 minute. That's where I went break even. So I just took the 30 second here. This trade actually was pretty good. Like I actually really like this trade. I was not mad that this got break even. So that's this the trade, right? Clean V shape, targeting data high. Today was PPI. Um, just a little 101 R, targeting data high. 30 second inversion. Now after this trade, there was also the short on the 1 minute. Right after, like we swept some buy side here, right? Into a 5 minute gap. There was a 5 minute gap up here. And we got the inverse. Now, the reason why I did not take this trade, like this, yeah, like the reason why I didn't take this trade is because well, I just got break even, right? And the way I thought about it is like, okay, if I took, if I got break even and then I immediately took a trade after, like in my head, I was processing that as revenge trading, and I was like trying my best to not revenge trade. But this actually was pretty good in my opinion. I actually like this. Kind of mad that it played out, but if you took that, good job. This now the second trade, this was horrible. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I took this. It was mainly FOMO probably. It's just bad. I'll still go over it though. Right here. So we came down. We edged the LR that I was talking about earlier. We edged that. So now I'm like, okay, we've made somewhat relative equal lows with the LR. We came back up to a 5 minute, but fast displacing candle down on the 1 minute. And I took this stop like somewhere here. I'm pretty sure it's just right there. And I took it at 101 down here. What I didn't see at the time is we were actually there was actually a 15 minute up here, right? So there was actually this was the 15 minute. So broke my rules, took a trade when there was a 15 minute above, and I also took a trade inside chop. If you look at the 30 second, this is overlapping candles. This does not look good at all, right? So ended up stopping me out. Now, this way you should be patient in the markets and not do what I did today because right after I got stopped out, I just got off the chart and I was like, okay, well, I'm done. I'm not gonna trade anymore. preventing any revenge trade. But right after I got stopped out, clean 3 minute long right here. This is a clean mech model as I trade PB's model. 3 minute long to unfilled 15. Like, oh my God, this was so nice. Too bad I broke my rules today. And then right after that, like, dude, 5 minutes short. Another great setup. Something like this. Target here. Uh, Target like you can even target like a something like that. And then boom. What the hell? Right? This way it's a bit patient and not FOMO in like I did today. Overall, today was pretty bad on my part for psychology wise. I've been on a bad losing streak. So really just I've been losing a lot. So it's like, I want to take a trade. One thing you should not be doing is you should not be wanting to take a trade. You should probably go into every trading day thinking that you don't want to take a trade. So get your mind off the P&L more. But you know, I'm gonna learn from this. Gonna learn from today, and hopefully I do better in the future. Um, what's crazy is after I took a loss, I had to go hit a leg day. No, I took the loss. I had to listen for my teacher lecture for another half an hour. They gotta walk across campus to listen to another lecture about some indigenous shit for another hour, and then I gotta hit leg day afterwards. So this might be bottom 3 days of 2025. And then after this, I gotta work a 3 hour shift. Who the fuck wanna work a 3 hour shift? Anyways, that's enough of me ranting. Um, Gotta lock in for 2025. I mean 2026. And yeah, I can't do this shit no more, bro. Shit, I know. Anyways, have a good rest of y'all day, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow, maybe if I take a trade. Um, if I don't, have a good day. Peace.